Do your mornings start with stiffness, a slow walk to the bathroom, joints that feel rusted and heavy? You tell yourself, it's just age. But what if it isn't? Dr. James Carter here, and today, I'll reveal something most doctors never tell their patients. Morning joint stiffness isn't caused by getting older. It's caused by what you do, or don't do, before bed. And once you understand this hidden cause, you can wake up feeling lighter, looser, and more mobile, without pills or painkillers. Cut to a bright, animated diagram of stiff joints slowly unlocking as blood flow increases. Transition to explanation/benefit section. You see, when we sleep, our bodies enter recovery mode. Our muscles relax, our heart rate slows, but here's the catch. If your circulation weakens overnight, your joints don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay flexible. That's why so many people over 50 wake up stiff, sore, and slow. Their blood flow simply isn't reaching their joints effectively. And here's the real secret. That stiffness isn't a sign of old age. It's a signal, your body asking for better circulation, hydration, and anti-inflammatory nutrition. Fix those three, and your mornings will change completely. Step 1. Rehydrate your joints before you move. After age 50, your body loses water more quickly, even while sleeping. Dehydrated joints are like dry hinges. They creak, grind, and ache. So, when you wake up, do this before anything else. Drink 1 glass of warm water with lemon and a pinch of sea salt. It rehydrates your cartilage, wakes up your digestive system, and boosts morning circulation. Step 2. The nutritional mistake that fuels inflammation. Now, here's the big one. Most people over 50 unknowingly start their day with foods that increase joint inflammation. Cereal with milk, white bread, or sugary coffee creamers. They cause tiny inflammatory reactions inside your body. That inflammation thickens your blood and starves your joints of oxygen. Dr. Carter's recommendation? Start your morning with anti-inflammatory power foods. A handful of walnuts or almonds. Oats soaked overnight with cinnamon. Berries or turmeric-infused tea. These help reduce inflammation markers like CRP, improve blood viscosity, and feed your cartilage with natural lubrication. Step 3. The 5-minute morning mobility routine. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once your joints are hydrated and your circulation wakes up, you just need to tell your body, it's time to move. Try this simple 5-minute sequence every morning. 1. Ankle circles, 30 seconds each side. Boosts blood flow to your legs and feet. 2. Gentle knee lifts, 20 reps per leg. Lubricates your knee joints and activates circulation.
If today's video helped you, please give a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss the next science-backed tip